There's an airline out there, we won't name it, but if your flight cost less than a Deliveroo and left you with a clicking jaw and trust issues, you already know this airline doesn't fly you, it gaslights you. It love bombs you with £14 fares and then charges £67 to breathe near a window. Flying with them is like dating your emotionally unavailable ex. Cheap at first, chaotic in the middle, and by the end, you're wondering if you'll ever love again. Boarding? No jet bridge. Just wind, rain, and 180 people panic sprinting across tarmac like they're fleeing a hostage situation. You fight tooth and nail for seat 26E like it's a custody battle in Ibiza. Once you're in, the seats are made of disappointment and recycled GCSE folders. No recline, no headrest, no peace. Your knees are now in a long-term relationship with the seat in front. Congratulations. It's claustrophobic and emotionally unavailable. Then, without warning, they shout about scratch cards at 6:45 in the morning, mid-turbulence. Because nothing says calm aviation environment like a crew member screaming, "Win a car," while your soul quietly detaches. And then, the landing. They don't land, they slam. You don't arrive. You make contact with the runway like it owes you child support. Your spine hits the tarmac 5 seconds before the wheels. Then they play a trumpet like they just cured world hunger. But the real twist? It's one of the safest airlines in Europe. Not a single fatal crash. Their maintenance is obsessive. Their pilots? Cold-blooded landing machines. It's like having a partner who can't communicate feelings, but always remembers bin day. This airline is like being raised by emotionally distant parents. They won't hug you, but they'll get you where you need to be. No comfort, no frills, no validation, but statistically you'll survive. Flying with them is like parenting toddlers working retail. And dating a narcissist, all at once. Loud, confusing, unstable, but somehow you keep going back. Comment trauma, but on time. If you've ever stepped off their plane and re-evaluated your life, tag someone who pretends they don't mind it, but flinches when they hear overhead bins slamming.